Alright, so this is question number 1 for your test review. It says, a stadium sold 33,300 tickets to a concert. Which statement about this number is true? Now, I will not on a test do UPSC on all my problems, but I will use my cube strategy because it's helpful for finding information that might be hidden in my question. So, the first thing I notice is that I have this number, 33,300 tickets. My question says, which statement about this number is true? So now I'm to the point where I want to box information. I know I'm looking for a true statement. That is very important. And now I'm going to look at my statements to see. The value of the digit in the tens place. Whoa. Okay, so we're talking about place value. That means I need to write my number over here. And I need to draw a place value house on top. So ones, tens, hundreds, that's my units house, comma, ones, tens, hundreds, this is my thousands house. Okay, so now I think I'm ready to look at my statements, and I'm looking for the true one. So the value of the digit in the tens place, all right, so here's my tens place, which is 0, is 10 times the value of the digit in the hundreds? No, because 0 isn't going to be 10 times bigger than anything. It's still just 0. So that is definitely false, not that one. The value of the digit in the thousands place, okay, so I have 3. That's where 3, the value of the digit in the thousands place. So all of this right here, the value of the digit in the thousands place, that's 3,000, okay, is 1/10. So remember when we did this, 1/10 the value of the digit in the 10,000s place. So first let's find what's the value of the digit in the 10,000s, okay, so right here's my 10,000, so its value would be 30,000. So when it says is 1/10 the value, that's the same thing as saying is smaller than. So is 3,000 smaller than 30,000? Yeah, that's true. Okay, so let's keep going. The value of the digit in the hundreds place. So my hundreds, that's 300, is 10 times. So when it says 10 times, that's the same thing as saying bigger than. So 30 is bigger than the value of the digit in the thousands. Thousands, that would be 3,000. So 300 is bigger than 3,000? That's false. All right, the value of the digit in the 10,000s, okay, so that one's 30,000, is smaller, remember when it says 1/10, smaller than the value in the hundreds, and that would be 300. So is 30,000 smaller than 300? No, that is false. So the only one that makes sense is the 3,000 is 1/10 the value of 30,000, or 3,000 is smaller than 30,000. And change those. Those really, really are a helpful way to do this.